Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Today we're going to look at GRT USDT, aka GERT, aka the graph. I don't know what I did there. The weekly downtrend could be ending right now. Do we see what we have here? Look at this breakout. However, we don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves, right? We've been in this downtrend since good old Valentine's Day weekend. Okay, we're making a downtrend. However, look at this yellow line. What is that? I'm glad you asked. The 21-week exponential moving average. What do we like to see on any coin? You want to be above that, holding that as support, and not only that, but lifting away from it, right? So that is a great sign after we're breaking this. However, look at this wick back in September 6th. Look at this wick back in April 12th, right? We don't want this to end up being a wick. However, we have 3.5 days, a little less than 3.5 days now, right? Before this closes. If we close outside of this downtrend, that would be the first candle since February of 2021 that we've made such a bullish move. At the same time, you're breaking and closing back above this 21-week EMA. That is a great sign. Let's go look at some more charts. GRT on the 5-day Gaussian channel. You wonder why we haven't been able to move much. This is why. You come down in the 5-day Gaussian channel and you spin. The longer you spin in here, the more stuck you get. And we've been stuck. And now the channel is turning red. We're coming up to retest our median line. We want to break that. And not only break it with a wick or one candle, right? These are 5-day candles. So each candle is, you guessed it, 5 days. So we want to not only break above it and close here, we need to confirm a second candle above that line. And then we can look for our next move up, which would coincidentally be the top line, right at $1.40. That would be a pretty nice move, right? That's what we're looking for. Close above here, confirm it for a second candle as support, and then this is the odds-on favorite, the top of the channel. Got one more, more good news. If you're interested in the, I'll stop. We're gonna go reverse. The final chapter in the GRT good news category. Look at, these are Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands opening up, diverging away from each other. Is that a good thing? Yes. Where is your price action? Above the median line. Is that a good thing? Yes. Zoom out. When your Bollinger Bands diverge away from each other, your price action's on top. Usually you're going to have a nice move coming to the upside. GERT is long overdue. We've been in that damn Gaussian channel for a prolonged period of time. Some positive signs. Look at the rest of the market. It's kind of leading. It's in the top section, right? It's leading the pack. So up over 7% as of recording. Look how explosive of a move this is, right? Nice, very nice to see. This is what we want to see. Now, does this mean only up from here on out? No, of course not. You got to remember, we need to close above here and then also hold it as support. So we don't want to just hold up here. We don't want to just wick up here, right? We have to close this candle first. 3 days, 5 hours from now, then we can look at the more bullish signs for GRT. So that's GRT in a nutshell. We took a poll on Twitter last week, over the weekend. This is one of the more requested coins, so that's why we're covering it. So maybe we'll do more of these. I still have a list to get through. So if you haven't covered your coin yet, I'm doing my best. I'll keep going through my list. And this is GRT. So hopefully this is if one of your coins. Here you go. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're still in extreme greed. So we monitor this every day. So 84, extreme greed. Does that mean, that's probably, obviously a reason that we're having a decent pullback, but you can stay in extreme greed for a prolonged period of time. It's just, when you get up here, it's time to be cautious, right? Everyone's euphoric. That is the time to be cautious. When you're seeing zero negatives in the rest of the market, warning flags should be going up in the back of the spidey sense, right? You got it. So if we come back down today, this will update at daily close tonight. We want to maintain above 70. If we close below 70, which I think we'll remain above it, but anything's possible. If we close below 70, the odds are that the next several days we'll probably be going down a little bit more cool off, sideways before we go back to bullish. But I do think we're long-term bullish over the next several months. Up in prices. Car of the day. Ferrari F50. One of my favorite Ferrari's designs of all time. Happen to have the model car right here. Resale red, as they say. Ferraris in red are, you know, par for the course. Quote of the day. Tony Robbins, aka the teeth. I made that up. If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. So, aka, change your life if you want your life to change, right? You can't do the same things over and over and over and think your life's going to improve in any dramatic way. So, yeah, there you go. All right, this is GRT, aka Gert. Terrible, just terrible humor. I have no humor. I have to make it up as I go. This is what I got. This is what we come to. Unedited. This is raw. This is me. There's my cars. Here's my sign. Chainlink, wake up. It's starting to, right? Let's go. All right, GRT, next one. We'll see you on the next one. Let me know if you've watched all my videos today. 0.